Yaman chose his new goal and works towards it step by step. The successful Turkish star Yaman, who managed to take effect rising from Turkey, reached a wider audience abroad as a remarkable artist. Yaman, who has gained insurmountable fame and success through the popular Turkish romantic comedy series Dolane, Erkenci Kush, and the most recent TV series Mr. Wrong, has a very strong fan base who are very active on social media and always there to hype up the famous actor. However, when the Turkish actor wanders the streets of Istanbul, there are not so many Turkish fans around him. In fact, Yaman is known to attract way more attention from tourists in Istanbul, which is often noticed by reporters as well. Of course, the popular actor Yaman has Turkish fans too, but they're not very ambitious about the actor. The foreign fans of Yaman, on the other hand, are very passionate about the famous Turkish actor, hence they never hesitate in showing their love whenever they get the chance to do so. Greece and then Italy. From time to time, the actor goes to countries like Spain, where he receives an overwhelming amount of attention and love. From the posts made by the famous actor on his social media account in the last 2 months, you will see that most of them are in Italian, as the actor has been spending most of his time there. It is very difficult to find Turkish content in the posts made by Yaman on his social media account. The actor, who sometimes shares about his projects in Turkish, shared a picture with his mother again in Turkish in January. The fact that all of Yaman's recent posts on his Instagram account are in Italian and targeting fans in Italy now gives the impression that he has decided for a long-term career in this country. The Turkish actor, who went to Italy for the commercial he shot with the world-famous director Fazanos Petek in early January, was also the topic of talk with his agreement with the highly anticipated TV series Sandokan. A long and hard preparation awaits the talented Turkish actor Erdi Kabir Beydi, who originally played the character of Sandokan. The actor continues to train for the character he will portray in the series. Moreover, the successful actor, who announced on his social media account that he was in love with Dilara Liara, one of the famous sports announcers of Italy, has now started to attract more attention in this country because of this too. The Turkish actor has indeed achieved a great opportunity with the Sandokan series, and along with his love with Dilara Liara, he has become a much more prominent name in the country, constantly making it to the headlines.